everybody, it's Tina. As you can see, there's my son and my husband. They're going to try pounding some metal again, working on improving their techniques, except their handle broke. That's the handle.
Hey.
And
Hey, you're showing off trade secrets.
this is their new concept of being able to get a flame. This is not their idea. They saw it on a video, so let's see if it works. And it's working. I thought it was funny when I realized that. So they're trying to improve.
We need to build a new bracket
Yeah, so
for the handle to control the
yeah,
blower.
see how it broke?
Careful.
Yep. So, ingenuity.
Redneck.
Yeah. So, talk to you later. Thanks.